getting really red.
Here we are, folks.
Mine is gonna get melted.
No toques, Cristian, que está caliente. Te vas a quemar la mano.
Then she's gonna turn into fire.
Fire.
Fire! Fire! Mine is gonna get really burnt. Oh yeah, baby. Look, mine is ready. Mine is melting because of the fire.
Nice. Look at that fire. You guys are professional campers.
Look at mine. It's melting.
Here comes Christina.
Daddy, mine is melting.
You got one too?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, cool.
Mine is melting. Daddy, here. Gonna put it in the fire.
Mmm.
This one is really melting. Here. Here, Daddy.
Is that for me? Nice marshmallow. Okay.
Cristian tiene que enseñarme todo.